Roughly 10,000 years ago the ice cap retreated and people settled down on the shorelines of the Baltic Sea. Estonian language has been spoken on these lands for at least 2,000 years. The first written verb in Estonian was to sing, mentioned in the Livonian Chronicle 800 years ago. And we sing to this day, alone and in groups. Our song festivals have been bringing together tens of thousands of singers for over 150 years. During winter, when it's snowy and white, we ski, alone and in groups, sometimes in thousands. Reading has been a part of our culture for half a millennium. The first book in Estonian will be 500 years old in 2025. Over 90% of Estonians have been literates for over 100 years. Based on the PISA tests, Estonian children's reading skills are at the top of Europe and the world. The reasons lie in child-centered early education, flexible curriculum, independence of schools and teachers in their choice of methodology, the general innovativeness and the overall digitalization of the country. Communal activities have had an important place in Estonian culture and history, from joint agricultural work to the promotion of education. After Estonia regained its independence in 1991, the Estonian Reading Association was founded on May 9, 1992. We are members of the International Literacy Association and the Federation of European Literacy Associations. The Estonian Reading Association is open to everyone interested in supporting the formation and development of literacy, joy of reading and writing in all ages, with different backgrounds, opportunities and special needs, all the while considering the changing needs of the society. Reading Nest project was started in 2004 with the goal to give teachers new knowledge and skills on how to customize the reading environment in kindergarten and elementary school and how to make books and reading activities interesting for children. Later, the Reading Nest idea also expanded to libraries, homes and elsewhere. Thousands of teachers have been trained during the project and hundreds of reading nests have been created. Additionally, a Reading Nest handbook was made, which connects theory and practice. In 2021, Latvian and Finnish reading associations and their partners joined the project. The Reading Nest project web page is a source of inspiration in 3 languages. The essay writing competition, Young Home History Researchers, started in 2010. The participants are 3rd to 6th grade students. More than 1,000 handwritten research works have been sent to the competition during 13 years. We have workshops for instructors and participants. Works are presented at the conference. Several sets of reading games are designed for children whose reading skills are still developing. They create interest in reading, support and develop reading skills through playfulness and games. In the 3MR project 2018 to 2021 we developed together with Italian, Belgian and Romanian colleagues a curriculum and methodology for reading picture books. We wrote down how to choose and read picture books with children in an engaging and developing way. We also prepared instructional materials for parents and pedagogues. Read more www.readingmagic.eu. The Reading Buddies project, which started in cooperation with the Tallinn Central Library in 2024, brings together children aged 7 to 11 who speak a different home language with Estonian-speaking youth aged 13 to 17. Reading Buddies explore books together and discuss what they have read. In 2004, the Dyslexia Department was established. Since 2010, consistent outreach work has been done to raise the awareness of dyslexia among families, educators and support professionals. We organize discussions together with the youth on the exposure and experience of young people with reading difficulties including dyslexia. Conferences. We organize a thematic conference in Estonia rotating between regions of the country every year, so that researchers and practitioners can work together to find new and effective ways to teach and develop literacy in different target groups. International conferences have provided an opportunity for professional idea generation and exchange of specialists from around the world. 13th European Conference on Literacy. 4th Baltic Sea Conference on Literacy. We invite you to the 6th Baltic Sea Conference on Literacy. Literacy environment, environmental literacy. October 4th to 7th, 2025, Tallinn, Estonia.